Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into another video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Today this video will be about how to curl your hair. Well, how to curl your long wig in particular. So in the video I have a 22-inch wig, frontal wig that I made for my birthday, and after I wore it for my birthday I actually put it down. So I'm gonna curl it up and give you step-by-step procedures on how to do this. The first thing that you're going to do is try and moisturize the hair if it's too dry, and then you're gonna comb it out. After you moisturize the hair, then you're going to part it in sections and comb it out, and I'll be using my curling wand to get tight curls. I'm using the curling wand because it heats up faster and the curls actually last longer. After I part the hair in sections, I'm going to comb it out to ensure that there aren't any knots in the hair. So you're gonna detangle the hair. Before I curl the hair, I'm going to be using a heat resistant product on the hair to ensure that the heat doesn't affect the hair. Even though it's a wig, the hair itself will lose its body, so I'm putting a heat protectant on the hair. After using the heat protectant, I'm gonna be using a oil sheen before I curl the hair so it can have an extra hold and shine. And you're going to curl the hair under the curling wand. You're gonna curl it out. After releasing the hair from the curling one, I'm holding it for a few minutes so the heat can stay into the curl, pressing it together, and then I'm gonna let it loose. So I'll be doing this for the entire hair until I reach the top. As you can see in the video, I'm almost at the top. I did this method for the entire hair and I'm now at the top. And I'm continuing this method until I finish curling the hair. Try not to let your hands touch the curling one as it's very hot and it will cause damage. If you've ever tried this method to curl your hair with your curling wand, leave your comments in the comment section for me to know what exactly you did to avoid burns and how to get your curls really tight and beautiful. I've finished curling one side of the hair and I'm going to the other side. When curling the top of the hair, it can be a bit tricky in terms of what direction you want the curls to fall. This curling method took me about 30 minutes to be exact because the curling one actually heats up pretty fast and the hairs curl pretty fast as well. So this process is not long if you have a curling one. So I finished curling the hair and I'm now going to apply the wig to my head to show you what it actually looks like. So that's what the wig looks like. After I curled it, I actually combed it out, well, brushed it out a little. And this is what the wig looks like curled on my head. Instant transformation. So this is what it looks like from the side, from the front. This is what it looks like from the back. Beautifully curled. If you haven't gotten a wand, get yourself a curling wand. If you like to purchase one, you can go over to my business page, Inwconcepts, and DM me and I can get you one. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye. Love you guys.